This video is rare stamps worth collecting. Our first stamp is from Russia 1938 1R Chepajev and Boy black and carmine imperforate horizontal pair unused with gum and the value is $7,200. Japan 1952 Showa unwatermarked series 100Y blast furnace sheet margin pair unused and with gum value $950. Argentina airmail 1930 graph Zeppelin green overprint complete set unused with gum. Scott value is $760. Well, our next stamp is from Canal Zone 1904, 5 cent blue Canal Zone double red bar and Panama shifted 30% downward, unused and value $800. Canal Zone 1920, empty hope overprint 2 cent orange vermilion and black unused with part of gum. Scott value is $3,250. Great Britain 1841 G black position OB unused with gum 3 good margins and Scott value $11,000. Stamp from Great Britain 1884 year Queen Victoria 5 shilling rose bluish paper and anchor watermark unused Scott value $18,750. Well, this one is New South Wales 1851 dull carmine plate 1 re-engraved yellowish paper double impression half millimeter apart. Estimated value $1,000. Stamp from Australia 1913 kangaroo and map 10 shilling grey and pink first watermark unused hinge mark Scott value $1,600. Australia stamp 1915 kangaroo and map 5 shilling grey and yellow second watermark unused original gum and hinge mark Scott value $1,500. Canada 1857 7.5 pea green Queen Victoria unused with gum and clear margins value 11,000 British pounds. Stamp from Canada 1873 small queen 6 cent yellow brown perforation 11.5 to 12 unused without gum and the Scott value is $1,000. Australia 1902 20 shilling emerald postage due unused with original gum SG value 4,000 pounds. Italian CLN local Arona 1945 share 1.25L ultramarine color unused with gum catalog value 2,700 euros. This is Italian parcel post 1949 200L green left half imperforate corner margin single with ornamental imprint. Well, this is 1913 Italian reunification 2 cent on 10 cent carmine overprint strongly shifted horizontally value 1,200 euros. Iceland 1876 10A red carmine on thick paper unused with gum and the catalog value 8,000 SKR. Stamp from Caroline Islands 1899 Imperial Eagle 50 fanning red brown 48 degree overprint. Ponape circular date stamp Scott value $900. Canada 1859 17 cent Cartier blue imperforate pair without gum as issued value 5,500 pounds. Well, Colombia stamp 1920 10 cent Sketta woman and boy watching plane without gum as issued and the value $3,000 in Scott. Portugal 1853 50R deep yellow green with light grid cancel and the catalog value is 1,300 euros. Well, our next stamp is Iceland 1882 3A brown orange on thick paper double 3 unused catalog value 1,400 SKR. Stamp from Peru 1857 1R blue on bluish paper imperforate unused with gum Scott value $1,700. Well, Colombia 1920 10 cent Sketta condor on cliff without gum as issued and the Scott value is $6,000. Well, our next stamp is Canada 1852 year, 3 pence, red color, unused, no gum, with sheet margin showing part of the imprint. Catalog value 2,000 Canadian dollars. Belgium 1861 20 cent, blue color, imperforate, unused, with original gum. The Scott catalog value is $500. Well, Brazil 1844 180R, black color, intermediate impression on grayish paper and red cancel. Scott value $1,800. British Central Africa 1895 1 pound, orange and black color, used, with 1895 double ring cancel, value 475 pounds. British Columbia 1867 50 cent on 3 pence, violet, perforation 14, unused, no gum. Scott value is $875. Well, our next stamp is Canada 1851 6 pence, grayish purple, on late paper, clear strike off, target cancel, and catalog value 2,500 Canadian dollars. Stamp from Canada 1893 50 cent, deep blue, imperforate, horizontal pair, unused, with original gum, and the Stanley Gibbons catalog value 1,800 pounds. Columbia 1920 10 cent, sketta, clouds and small biplane at the top, without gum as issued, Scott value $3,800. Well, Netherlands 1864 15 cent, orange, unused, with a large part of the original gum, catalog value 1,350 euros. Stamp from Japan 1874 6 shilling, violet brown, on native late paper, syllabic 2, unused, with gum, and the Scott value is $1,800. This is Mauritius 1848 1 penny, orange on yellowish paper, thick paper, with 3 ring numeral 1 cancel. Scott value $18,000. Stamp from Columbia 1920 10 cent, sketta, multicolor view, without gum as issued. Scott value $3,250. Well, our next stamp is Hungary 1950 60F, boys camp, inscription error on small piece, by town cancellation. Catalog value 600 euros. This is Columbia 1920 10 cent, sketta, airpost, multicolor view, without gum as issued. Scott value $3,250. Imperforate, beautiful stamp, Hong Kong 1891 7 cent on 10 cent, green color, double surcharge, used, with light cancel. Scott value $1,500. Well, Canada 1934 3 cent, Cartier, imperforate, horizontal pair. This is unused, with original gum, value 1,600 Canadian dollars. Stamp from Hong Kong 1876 28 cent on 30 cent, violet, unused, with original gum, small hinge remnant. Scott value $1,750. Well, this is Columbia 1920 10 cent, sketta, multicolor view, without gum as issued. Scott value $2,750. This is also imperforate stamp, Great Britain 1854 6 pence, red violet color, embossed issue, clear cancel, SG, that is Stanley Gibbons, value 1,000 pounds. This one is Great Britain 1902 10 shilling, ultramarine, with guidelines, central circular date stamp, and the value is 475 pounds in Stanley Gibbon. Bavaria 1851 KR, black color, plate 2, lightly cancelled by 160 of Kids Engine, catalog value 7,000 euros. This is Egypt 1922 100M, black, with a double overprint and undervalued, rare error. Scott value $400. This is perforated stamp. Well, Luxembourg 1914 Grand Duchess, Mary Adelaide, 10C to 5 franc, horizontal pairs, imperforate. Catalog value $400. This is Italian CLN local birch 1945 50 cent, violet, used. Catalog value is 650 euros. This is perforated, beautiful color. Well, Italian occupation of Rhodes, 1935, L21 Congress, hydrological overprint, Scott value $725. Well, another stamp from Italian CLN local Micagno 1945 CLN overprints 5C to 3L unused with catalog value 2,600 euros. Germany 1946 30 Fanning olive imperforate vertical pair on a piece by Erfurt 1F CDS 1547 catalog value 1000 euros. I hope you liked the video. Thank you and keep visiting and watching my videos.